Kamiti ya uiguano ya BBI netirihire mihango ya kungania mawoni ma muingi na honge itiganite cia utongoria bururi-ini mbere ya guthii keheri kwa ihinda niguo kuhariria riboti ya muthia ya BBI niguo gukuruhania mawoni mothe maria mendekithitio. Umuthi bunge ya bururi na iria ya Senate neigeire na mweke wa kuheana mendekithia mao kuri kamiti ino, kuria spika wa bunge ya bururi Justin Muturi endekithirie gucenjio kwa mutaratara wa ithurano bururi-ini kuma uria ukoragwo wa Kenya gwithurira atongoria nginya kwendekithia mathuragwo ni ciama cia kiuteti bururi-ini.
In order to build a bridge that allows us to transcend the pitfalls of heavily contested presidential elections, and propose that instead the popular will to propose the removal of elections of president by universal suffrage and replace therewith that the popular will of the people be manifested through one man, one vote and actuated through the nomination of president by the party that garners the majority votes at the general election.
Hari mendekithia maria matanyitwo kuguciriria mawoni ngurani kuma kuri ya Kenya na atongoria bururi-ini, Muturi endekithitie hinya wa guthura mutongoria wa bururi na magavana weherio moko-ini ma Kenya nginya kuri ciama cia kiuteti iria Kenya marikoragwo na hinya wa gwithurira kuringana na uria marenda gutongorio.
As a primary measure to promote accountable governance, I propose that county governors should not be elected through universal suffrage. Instead, each political party at a general election should submit to the IEBC a list of 3 candidates for each county, each of whom is qualified to hold office as county governor should that party win in that county.
Shigi utongoria bunge-ini Muturi endekithitio gicigo bunge gukoragwo na wingi wa andu utakirite 200,000. Guku senete endekithitio yongererwo nginya itura 94 guku o county gicagura maseneta ere muthuri na mutumia.
With regard to parliament, the constitution should define with clarity the interrelationship between the houses of parliament in order to provide for the proper execution of legislative and oversight roles.
Mwinina wayo bunge ya senete renda yongererwo mahinya makiria gukiringithanio na bunge ria ya bururi na gukorwo na watho uratariria wega wira wa bunge ciere hatari kuriana na ingi. Kuhitukira mutongoria wa ingi Kipchumba Murkomen na murunayo wa nini James Orengo, maseneta marenda hinya wa guthurima na kuhitukia atongoria wa wabici cia thirikari ta mucirithania munene na munini wake, undu umwe na makamishina a kamiti itiganite cia utongoria thirikari-ini.
The senators therefore observed that there is need to provide clarity on the shared role of both houses of parliament and on the special and specific roles of each house of parliament.
Maya ri iguru ria kuheo hinya wa gukorwo na uge uthondeki-ini wa bajeti undu umwe na mihango ya gukuruhania mbirarũ cia bururi birigicani-ini o yothe thiini wa mihaka ya Kenya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.